If you love quick and delicious meals, you need to try this vegetable and sardine spaghetti. It's easy, affordable, packed with flavor, and ready in no time. Let's make it together. Benedict's table, where every meal is made with love. Welcome back to my channel. We're making a delicious and easy spaghetti with vegetable and sardine, and trust me, this is one recipe you want to try. First, I'm cooking my spaghetti until it is perfectly tender, and by tender I mean al dente. I don't like my spaghetti too soft, so the perfect texture for me is making it al dente. And if you don't want your spaghetti to stick together, remember to add oil into the boiling water so you just get a very fine result. Once my spaghetti is ready, I drain it and set it aside. For my vegetables, I'm using fresh carrots, bell peppers, and onion. This adds beautiful color and a little crunch and lots of flavor to my spaghetti. Next, I heat some oil in a pan and saute the onion with garlic until they become fragrant. Then I add the carrots and bell peppers and stir fry them for a few minutes. I love keeping the vegetables slightly crunchy so that they don't become too soft. I can't help cooking any meal without adding my Scotch bonnet pepper. You know I love my food very spicy. Next, I'll be adding some seasoning cubes and salt to taste. You don't want your food to taste bland because nobody would eat it. Then I add my cooked spaghetti and my soy sauce, which gives the spaghetti that rich, savory taste and an extra depth of flavor. I stir this until all ingredients is evenly distributed throughout the spaghetti. And you can see that everything is coming together so beautiful and very colorful. Now it's time for the star ingredient, sardine. I add the sardine and gently mix it into the vegetable and allowing all those delicious flavors to come together. I'm being careful here because I don't want the sardines to break. At this point, my friends, I want you to go to the comments and write delicious, and just look at how colorful and delicious it's turned out. This vegetable and sardine spaghetti is quick, easy, budget friendly, and perfect for lunch, dinner, or whenever you need a simple meal that doesn't take too much time. If you love easy spaghetti recipes, definitely give this one a try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification for more delicious recipes. We've come to the end of our videos, and until my next video, stay safe and out of trouble. Bye.